Fire Stick. Turn on your TV, plug in your Fire Stick. It's going to say it's looking for the Wi-Fi. So you need to set up your Wi-Fi. Once you set up your Wi-Fi, you're going to end up at your Amazon home screen. When you're at your Amazon home screen, you look in your apps. They should be like right below the advertisement or whatever at the top. Click on the app that has the K in it. It has like light blue around it. That's the Kodi app. Kodi is an app that's on the Fire Stick. So you have to click on that to get to a build. There are builds on Kodi. Kodi's the app. The builds, there's hundreds of different builds, but it makes the Kodi look nicer, smoother. You can add things, delete, whatever. You don't really need the build, but it's nice. It looks nice. But you click on the Kodi app. Then it's going to take you to something like this. This is the Hard Knocks. It's the Misfits Hard Knocks build. There's different kinds of builds. This is just the Hard Knocks. A lot of people I did Fire Sticks for, this is what they got, the Hard Knocks. So I'll go ahead and show you a little bit about around. Okay, here's the movie section. This is the menu. This is the sub menu. The different Covenant. You can watch movies from Covenant, or let's say Covenant Slow. You can go start watching movies from Deliverance, or Bob's New Releases, or Bo's Picks. Those are just different add-ons that you can stream from. Okay. Now you go up. There's TV shows. You go down. There's different networks. You got Netflix shows 24/7. These are all different add-ons right here in the sub-menu. If one isn't working for you, try another one. Okay. Let's say you didn't like this build. This just isn't your build. You don't like it. You want to try something different. Here's how you do that. Go over to your Pro system. Go down and go over to Skin Settings. And then you click Enter. And here, right here, this is like the menu for the build. Set this up right here. Go ahead and go over and click Enter. You're going to have to wait a second. It takes a second to load those. Well, that one was fast. But then you want to go back over. And if you go here, see this After Dark? That's for adults. See how there's a red X beside it? That means that you have it disabled. Let's say you don't want it disabled. You want it enabled. You want adult stuff. You want this. These are your menu items over here. Right click on this. Or click your menu button. It's the 3 horizontal lines. And you go to enable it. There you go. Now that one's enabled. Let's say there was something like on the music that wasn't working. Sometimes on music, Blaze doesn't work that great. So we're going to go over to music, the music menu, and then the sub menu. Click on that. Blaze was one of the things in the sub menu. Go up here. Let's click your menu button, the 3 horizontal lines, and let's disable it. And then when you go back, just keep clicking back till you end up back on your screen. And it'll update your skin settings. It'll update this page. So you won't see any changes until the build menu completes. Okay, now that's complete. Now you can go back through and now you can see the different things that are on your new menu that you just did. It's a little bit slow since I just changed things and it just redid the